Hi, Steve here from Rubber Ducky Designs, and this is how to make a rack for your pipe clamps out of a 2x4. This rack should work with any clamps that have feet similar to this Bessey one. First, you'll need a piece of 2x4. The length you'll need is determined by how many clamps you're trying to hang. Next, grab one of your pipe clamps. We'll need to measure the feet. We can do this with a tape measure, or we can mark our cuts right onto the 2x4. I think this is the easier way. Maybe not. Next, we'll need to adjust the blade height on our table saw. And adjust the fence too. Now, we'll need to readjust the blade for the second cut. And the fence. You should be left with something like this. Sanding is optional. I didn't do it. Next, I'm going to use my stud finder to locate a good spot to mount this rack. Bingo! Since 6 clamps aren't very heavy, I think this will be fine. Gotta make sure it's nice and sturdy. That's going nowhere. Now your rack is ready. Go ahead and toss those bad boys up there. Sweet. I hope this video gave you some ideas, and thanks for watching.